The rising streak on the share market has now stretched to 6 days because investors think that surely this time Angela Merkel and Nicolas Sarkozy will sort things out. The German Chancellor arrives in Paris tonight to start talks leading up to the December 9th summit, and the hopes of Europe and the world arrive with her. Today's gain on the local market of 0.8% was assisted by the big miners and the banks, and Qantas was among the biggest risers, presumably because of the plans to expand Sydney Airport. Wall Street was flat on Friday because of a decidedly mixed employment report for the United States. The headline unemployment number was good, down from 9 to 8.6%, but it was all because of a falling participation rate. People are just giving up. The US unemployment rate is coming down, but very gradually, as the chart shows. It's a painful process and will remain gradual for a long time because the private economy is not growing quickly enough to make up for the layoffs in the public sector. Just in the past month, 5,000 postal workers were retrenched. The Australian economy, on the other hand, is chugging along quite nicely with just the occasional cylinder misfiring. Company profits astounded with a rise of 4.8% for the third quarter, but inventories were run down, which you can also see in the low inflation number. Basically, businesses are discounting to clear their stocks. The services industries are contracting and job ads in November were steady. The bottom line is that most economists reckon the GDP growth figure will be above 1% for the third quarter when the national accounts come out on Wednesday morning, or about 2.5% for the year. The Australian dollar has been drifting for the past few days after bouncing 3 cents last Wednesday to push through 102 US cents. Currently it's sitting just above 102. And that's finance.